Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I used the LOC method to achieve this twist out. I wanted to use a mousse, but I used it in my last video and I didn't want it to be repetitive, but I'm also curious to see how a twist out will come out using a mousse because I never used it before and my hair really liked it for the wash and go. So I decided to use the LOC method to switch things up, and I'm going to show you how I achieved this look. I've been wanting to do a twist out for a while, but once I wash my hair I just get lazy and I end up doing a wash and go. So the products I'm going to use is this Shea Moisture leave-in treatment, and then that's the L leave-in. For oil I'm going to use this jojoba oil, I think that's how it's pronounced. Valentia, I'm going to use that as my oil, and for the cream, oldie but goodie, I'm going to use the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. This product has never done me wrong. I'm always going to keep it on hand. Always. So those are my three products I'm going to use, and I'm going to start off by sectioning my hair. I don't need it to be, perfect, because I don't want a super de-duper line of demarcation of how I parted my hair to do the twist. So okay, so first what I'm going to do is take the leave-in and put that on my hair. Next, I'm going to go in with the oil. Here. I'm actually going to put some on the roots because this oil is known to help with dry scalp. So, just want to put some of that on the scalp area. Okay, I want to actually separate this section in half, even as I can get it. Okay, then I'm going to maybe do 3 twists per section. I feel like I'm gonna do. I think that's what I'm gonna do. 3. I didn't know if I should just put the Curl Enhancing Smoothie on all of my hair or just each individual section, and then as I got here, I decided each individual section. So I'm gonna use this amount and put that on this section. Take my Denman brush. I haven't used this bad boy in a while. Just make sure that it's all evenly distributed and my hair is detangled. Now I'm going to try to take an even amount and start my twists. When I get to the bottom, I'm just going to put more cream on there and then just twist it around my finger like this, and it shouldn't unravel. And that's my first twist. While you're doing your twist, you also want to get as close to the root as possible. You don't want to leave space. That you do not want to do. I'm also not starting with like soaking wet hair either. So we'll see if that plays a role in how this turns out. Because again, I haven't done a twist out in wow, I can't even remember how long it's been since I've done a twist out. It's been a really long time since I've done a twist out. I hope it comes out super defined, which is why I'm doing the curls, the twists so small instead of big and chunky, because I want them to come out super duper defined. And also because I'm doing them so small, I hope that I don't have to separate them as much either. So hopefully that'll make it last longer, because the more you separate, the more frizz you'll get. So hopefully these ideas that I'm thinking is going to work actually works. So that completes this section. There's 6 twists, and you can see the bottom of them. Well, this is one that I did, one of the first ones I did. See how it curled up super cute and tight and nice. So, yeah, I know you don't want to see me do this for my whole entire head. So, I am going to speed this up by the power of editing. So, this is the finished product. This bad boy in the front's going to be annoying how it's hanging. But it's done. I think I have 24 twists in my hair, and they're nice and soft. It's pretty late. It's 11:30. I didn't know it was that late. It is 11:30 at night. So I'm gonna see you guys in the morning time, and it's perfect because I don't like going to sleep on wet hair. I mean, I don't plan on going to sleep. I want to watch some TV. Want to watch some TV shows. So I'll probably do that until the TV show starts watching me. And I'll see you guys in the morning. So, it has been 3 days since I put these twists in my hair. I know I was supposed to come back the next day, but I wasn't going anywhere. So I figured like I should just leave the twists in and wait until I was actually going somewhere. And then that just turned into like being super comfortable. So I'm finally going to take them down because I want to see how it turned out. And I realized when I was doing it, I didn't show you guys the back. So what I'm going to do first is put some oil on my hands. I'm actually going to rub it in on my scalp to have some sectioning going on. Make sure my scalp is well oiled. I'm going to take them down in sections. So I'm just going to section my hair off. Kind of like how I did when I put the twists in. Okay, I'm just going to apply a little bit more oil to my fingertips. Just rub it on these a little bit. So I'm going to start off and I'm going to go gently because you don't want frizz. You want to reduce as much frizz as possible. And you don't want to go fast and ruin all the work you just did putting all these twists in. So I'm going to go in the opposite direction of the twist and just gently unravel it. And this is what it looks like. Not separated, just like that. So I'm just gonna take out all of them now. So these are all of them, all unraveled. And now I'm gonna go in and separate. I like to separate by section. I don't like to take it all out and then separate. I feel like I have more room to separate. But when they're all laying on top of each other, I just can't see as much. So I like to go in and separate now. And then I give it a twist again. So that's this section. That's as far as I'm going to go with the unraveling. Now I'm going to work on this side. Last twist. So this is all of the twists taken out and unraveled. So I'll show you the back. So what I'm going to do now is take my pick and just pick at the roots to give myself a little bit more volume. Now I'm going to do something with these edges here. And for that I'm going to go in with my Eco Styler Gel with olive oil and my edge brush. Better. So we're done. This is the back. So this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and leave all your comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.